Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be taking a look at the Wrike platform, the best project management software. So let's go for it. Let's get into it. First, you all need to do is to go on Google and type Wrike.com. Once you're done, you will see the landing page like this. So this is the official platform. First, we're gonna take a look at that at the platform. Then we go with the login details. So one platform to streamline our workflows. You can all in one platform to manage projects, organize work, enhance collaboration, and accelerate execution all across the department. So um, let me see here. You will see a lot of different organization that is trusted by 20,000 plus organization that are trusted by that platform, the Wrike.com, Google's, Samana, Nicknody, and different platforms. Alright, now you can just use custom workflows, create your own workflows to keep your team on the same page. There is easy to implement and simple to use. You can also create interactive Gantt charts. You can just use your project schedule and set dependencies in real time using drag and drop. Easy, adjustable to keep everyone on track and on time. And then pin important to DOS on dashboard, consolidate to DOS from all of your projects as well as tasks. They aren't part of your project, but you can easily manage your daily work with dragging tasks to new in progress completed. Plus, you can customize dashboard to see what you want to see. Alright, now with your collaborative proofing and approval tool, you can mark image to add comments, eliminate miscommunication, needless revisions and delays, and you can receive timely approvals and keep a clear system of record. You can also work with these documents and videos as well. Okay, you can build your own build a report with just one click. So you can easily add it or build a report from scratch using Wrike, easy to use report wizard. You can share real-time interactive reports and schedule notifications for reports update or reviews on a regular basis. Now you can join the millions of users worldwide who love Wrike. Now if we're gonna go ahead and get to with that platform, we're gonna try it for free. Now simply you can enter your email address. Let me see here, let me just put it here. No credit card, no commitment, no downloads. You can try it for free. And there we go. Once you enter your email address, just click on try and free and just hold on for a second. It will get you to another page. And there we go. Welcome to Wrike. And this is the official dashboard. You can now enter your full name here, your phone number. Let me just put a fake phone number, 555 your company name. You can be agree to Sermon Technology. You can click on next. How many people work at your company? 2 to 20. So let me go back to 21 to 50 tab and tell us a bit about what you do, what are your team or department, C-level, which job, startup into C suggestion. Sales manager, click on next. Now what's your team working on? Enter your first project. Click on management. Then what's need to be done, the first task, second task, and third task. Let me just put it here, project, then management and softwares. Okay, over here, click on next. Now the first the project is in progress. Let's click on next one over here. Now you can simply get these 4 websites, start building your team, and let me just put some name, fake emails over here. There we go. I just put some random emails over here. You can just, now it's going to be preparing your workspace, and I'll basically go with that. And there we go. And boom, this is the official landing page, the CRM of Wrike.com. And there we go. You can see the first project is going to be reviewed, and the budget, the due date, impact, each and everything. You can just customize your own workflow. Okay, you can get started with some free and with some 5 steps over here. And on the left side, you will see the options of home, the task dashboard, management, and your new projects. Okay, and on the left side, you will see the options of my profile, Michael Diaz, and in the work, if you see in the plus button, you will see the option of work items, space, you're getting wide, and you will see the search bar over here. This is how you can go through with that platform. You can customize your own workflow with that. You can create your own profile, your own project, and it's the best project management software ever. Now, this is how you can go through with that platform. And if you like that video, please make sure to subscribe this channel, and I will catch you in the next video. Thank you so much.